Working with if-else statement. The if-else statement is an extension of the simple if statement. This is the general form of if statement, and the syntax for the else statement is as such. If the Boolean expression is true, the control will move to block 1 and execute true block statements. Otherwise, the control will move to block 2 and execute false block statements. Now let's discuss all this with a simple example, shall we? Open a new Windows application in Visual Studio.net 2008. Go to Toolbox. And double-click the button control and label control. Drag the controls and align them for a better presentation. Press Ctrl and C to make a copy of label control. In this example, we're going to enter 2 integer values. For that, we need text box controls. So, go to Toolbox. And double-click the text box control. Drag it and place it such as this. Drag the controls and align them for a better presentation. Now, go to the Properties window and change the text label of Label 1 to Enter the value of A equals. Similarly, change the text property of Label 2 to Enter the value of B equals. Now then, click the button control and press F4 to get the Properties window. Change its text property to OK. Right then, double-click the button control, and now we are in Code window. Here we're going to compare 2 integer values and display the result in the message box. If the value of text box 1 is greater than the value in text box 2, then the text box 1 value is greater than text box 2 value. Otherwise, text box 2 value is greater than text box 1 value. Actually, here we are comparing 2 integer values, but the textbox.text will return a string value. So, we have to convert it into an integer. Well then, press F5 to run the application. Give 10 for A and 5 for B, and then press OK. It will display A is greater than B. Now then, change the value of A and B and check the results. Now it's displaying B is greater than A. I hope you've got a clearer idea about the if-else statement. Now in the upcoming lesson, I'm going to discuss nested if in detail.